Welcome, in front of me is a BQ Aquaris X2 Pro, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that, for instance, you don't know the passcode to. So, to get started, I'm actually going to lock the device, just so you can see that there is a passcode, and I'll proceed from here as though I don't know it. So you can see that the device is now locked. So number one, we want to shut off the device, hold the power key and select power off. And once the device is off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And once you see the Android logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode, you want to use volume keys to navigate, so volume down to go down and volume up to go up, like so, as you can see. And you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, which is right here. I hope it's visible, it's really small font. So it's right here, Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then when it's selected with this orange line, you want to then confirm it with the power key. Then once more select Yes, which is the second option, like so, and press power key once more. And then at the bottom with even smaller font, you get as a last entry, data wipe complete, so the process is now finished and reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you need to do now is press power key once more and the device will reboot. Now it will actually take a little bit longer for it to turn back on because it's continuing the process in the background, just not showing anything while it's doing. So like I said, it's going to take a little longer. But once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. And once the setup is finished, you will see that there's no more lock screen as well. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.